Akala ko nga po magkakasama kayo.
Ako sa kanya.
Akala ko na wala nang malay talaga.
Hindi ka talaga ako maalalim ako matulog kasi talaga.
Sana all.
Kala ko nakainom siya.
Hindi pa po yun ah.
Hindi ako nag-expect.
理解できる何も見えない静かな街の声が瞳の奥に広がる見えない世界がよく何もない空白の中漂うこの一人何もない見つめるだけ何もない眺めるだけ何もない見つめるだけ何もない眺めるだけ暗闇の中で揺れる庶民の光と影思い出すのは夢の代わりにあるのダンス家に行くのか一人じゃない闇の中で見つけられるものは
Baby! Dito, baby ka na. Wala naman kaming chicken. Anak! May anak!
Hello. Welcome to... Masbate na po ba to?
Opo.
Ah, nice.
Hi, what's your name?
Ang laki ng ibon. What's this? Anong tawag sa'yo? What's your name?
So guys, discuss ko lang po yung mga activities natin today and then yung mga kasama po sa package. So first of all, you have 4 hosted meals. Start po ng lunch ngayon. So lunch, dinner, breakfast until tomorrow po yung lunch natin. So we're going to visit 7 islands po. Then today, Sombrero Island, Animasola, Tinalisayan, then down to Templo Island po. So 4 yung bibisitahin natin ngayon, pang-4 po itong campsite natin. So dito po tayo mag-stay sa Sombrero Island po. So aware naman po kayong lahat na we don't have source of electricity and water po dito sa island. Nasa itinerary niyo po lahat yon. So, yung water po natin, fresh water, 50 pesos per pail. Bakit po 50 pesos? It takes 4 hours to get fresh water from here. 2 hours sa punta, 2 hours sa balik. Kinukuha po nila yung sa mainland. So, yung mga source of electricity natin, solar lang po, tsaka po generator. So,
I am currently chilling here sa kubo ng Sombrero Island. Ito yung view ko. May 2 dogos pang naglalaro. Sobrang peaceful ng lugar. Naghihintay na lang kami ng food for lunch and then we'll be heading to Animasola Island. So ang daming so, this is island hopping by the way. So liblibutin namin yung mga islands here in Masbate. And meron daw kaming pupuntahan na border na ng Bicol and Masbate, yung pinakadulo daw. So I'm looking forward. I think this is the first time na nag-video ako ng maikli na ulit yung buhok ko, finally. Nagupitan ko na ulit siya. This is my usual cut way back college days up until 2023. Tapos parang mid-year of 2024 last year, which is kinaya ko namang hindi na paggupitan. So humaba yung buhok ko hanggang balikat. And then ngayon, ayoko na ulit. I'm done with it. Sobrang hassle ng mahaba ang buhok. Sanay kasi akong pagising ko, ligo. Kahit hindi na magsuklay. Goods na. ganito lang ang gusto ko. Nature reset. Ito lang yung view. Solo joiner lang ako ulit. Tapos biglaan lang din. Kasi seat sale. So, why not, diba? At kami lang ang nasa island na to ngayon. So, exclusive siya. Kasi ang hirap niya talaga puntahan. And buti naman nakisama yung dagat kanina. Hindi siya ganun kaalon. Actually, dapat kalagwas talaga to eh. Kaso, hindi kaya. Ayoko i-risk din. Ilang beses na siyang na-cancel dahil sa lakas ng alon and then nare-risked. So, sabi ko, okay. Kung hindi pa para sa akin ang Kalagwas, let's try Burias. Kasi kailangan ko din ma-cross out ang Masbate, which is right now. Ito siya. Sobrang cool. Later, magte-tent pitching na ako dito. Buti nagdala ako ng sarili kong tent. Kasi ayokong makishare. Pero lahat naman ng kasama ko mababait ngayon. Like, actually, lagi naman. So, wala lang. Nahihiya lang akong may kasama. So, I'm looking forward sa lunch namin. Lalo na kapag mga ganitong island tours. Usually, seafood. Kahit bawal sa akin, kumakain ako. Nagdadala na lang ako ng gamot. Ay, ang saya. This is one of the greatest thing as a solo joiner, you know. You get a lot of time for yourself, like me time. Lalo na kapag drain ka na sa work. And then you get to meet new people. So, hitting two birds in one stone. At yung mga namimit mo naman dito, hindi naman to the point na kailangan magstay sila sa buhay mo. So, people come and go. And it's okay. And it's great to meet, you know, new faces from time to time. Hindi lang yung sa work. Like, although, I have a lot of friends right now sa work. Sobrang masaya ako sa work ko ngayon dahil sa kanila. Not to mention, hindi ako masaya sa sahod ko, syempre. Pero kinakaya. Diba? As long as bills are paid, I'm okay. Pero hindi syempre, alam ko naman hindi syempre dapat palaging ganun. So, may plano din naman tayo. May uwak. Ay, nakita ba sa video? Sayang. Sarap lang mag-chill.
Mag-drive na kasi!
Wala, mahina.
Mahina na!
Napakaganda ng mga rock formations dito. I'm here at Masola Island here in Masbate. So this is our first stop for island hopping.
Said you'd be asleep at
Naman, grabe. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang amazing na nature talaga. Paano kaya yan?
unlucky charms and fake IDs.
It's like a pattern.
I think you're gonna miss your flight. My
Ang
dreams are
pinaka-scary
getting
part dito.
stranger lately.
matutulis yung bato.
I don't know what's
So,
in
isang
the
maling
air.
hakbang mo lang, madulas ka lang. Good luck.
San Diego drives me crazy, and I pretend that I don't care. Give me one more hit of dopamine. They'll see us in a movie scene, silhouette of one leg in your jeans. We're either going down in history or going down in mystery, it seems. And it's not fair for me to fall like I do when I don't have you. Now I see your name in playlists and I think you're sending clues. Baby, I'm a fool in love with you.
Can't believe.
You didn't miss your flight, and I'm wishing you safe travels. I bet you're feeling quite alright, and you don't know that I'm unraveled. Give me one more hit of dopamine. They'll see us in a movie scene, a silhouette of one leg in your jeans. We're either going down in history or going down in mystery, it seems. And it's not fair for me to fall like I do when I don't have you. Now I see your name in playlists and I think you're sending clues. Baby, I'm a fool in love with you. And it's not fair for me to fall like I do when I don't have you. Now I see your name in playlists and I think you're sending clues. Baby, I'm a fool in love with you.
Grabe. Napakaganda ng bato. Look. Kaya ba yan? Sobrang shiny. There's a lot of corals. Broken corals. Sa paligid. Kung makikita niyo yung mga bato dito, parang nag-i-smile sila sa akin kasi they are so hydrated. Alam mo yun? Tulad nitong batong to. Parang ang saya-saya ng buhay nila dito sa isla. Grabing view to. Look. Sorry kung ang pangit ng mga shots ko. Pero, I don't care. Grabe ganda. Look. Magpapaiwan ako dito. Nandun pa sila, nauna sila sa rock formations. Pero magpapaiwan ako ng few minutes. Kailangan ko na magandang shots. Dito nga pwede na eh. Set up ko lang yung camera. Ang ganda!